That one's water all done. It's full of ants. Find some next. Papa, they're gonna eat. I want to bring my bear honey so they can eat. Mom, is it all good? No, that keep doing that.
You got your smoke ready?
No.
Oh.
No.
You don't want out?
Probably.
Probably.
Whoa, that one is right here. Yours just right in this hole. I make sure the bees are calm.
Ooh.
I try to stop sweeping them. Papa, stop sweeping them. There's a more bee. The blower. Mom, they're about to make honey. They're just the white thing is babies. I want the babies. I want the baby, Mom. Papa.
We haven't started yet.
Want me to blow it? Yeah,
We don't need it yet. Y'all just stand down there and wait.
Wait, hold on. I'm trying to. I didn't even see because I'm not tall enough. Oh, one of them died, Mom. Hey, come on. Down here. Yeah, there's a whole beach on the bottom.
The mama's got to get that. Oh, it's like queen cells.
Yeah, we need to get the queen. I didn't even start a queen bee. I don't want the queen bee. They're about to die, Mom, if you pull that up. What about this one? I'm trying to get it. Wait. What color is it? Black. What? Black. Black? Yeah. That's nothing. It's just black stuff. That's where they're food. No. It's not. Wait, that's dirt. Oh no. Paint on here. Papa, stop smoking. Papa, why you put a chain on your? Mom, stop smoking.
It's okay. I don't need it right now.
Mom, why you Papa, why you put a chain on your?
Keep the lid down so wild animals can't lift it up.
Why almost not?
I'm trying to find the queen too.
Okay, and if you come here, baby, I can show you what some larva looks like.
What? Wait, I see honey.
Look.
What?
You see, and hold on, I'll bring it to you. You see
It's
in
a
these
queen
holes over
cell.
here?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get it. I don't know.
So that's the water.
You see in these little holes right here?
Yeah. Here.
No. Okay, now I got one here. You see in these little holes, you see that white stuff in there?
Yeah.
That's the baby. Yep.
Yeah. And so I see one baby in that little tiny, because they're an egg.
Yeah.
When they're little babies, they're eggs. But if they're grown a little big, Mom, they're grown a little big, that means they're worms.
Y'all tell me if you see the queen, okay?
Okay. I'm just checking for honey. I love honey.
I know you do.
Yeah, I love that honey. When I tasted that last time, it tastes really good.
Yeah, you went crazy after you you ate that.
Bro, what happened that time? Why is it stuck in there?
Had him a sugar rush.
Oh, that's a worm. No, that's not a worm.
Yeah, they call it larva.
No, why that boy like one of those? Why is one of those bees, those boy bees in that hole, Mom? They're babies. They're not babies. They're yes.
Calm
No,
down.
like one of those, Mom, the yellow and black. Mom, tell them Mom, it's the girls or boys. They're all boys, but there's one girl, the queen.
The nurse bees are girls.
What?
All these little bees you see right here are girls.
Right here and
yeah.
here?
If I see a boy, I'll show you.
Yay!
The boys
black
are bigger.
The boys,
yeah,
girls
the boys are called drone bees.
So the girls is little and the boys big.
Yeah,
they're
freaking fingers stuck together.
I saw more honey. More. Honey. Why they're making more honey? I want to see the. Mom, their head is stuck because they're making honey. They're trying to pick the honey out.
I think it should be on this one.
Their honey's old, so they're just spit it out when they're drink their honey. I see one baby bee coming out.
Where?
Right there. It just come out.
Oh,
Oh,
he's coming out, yeah.
It was cute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that one's tiny. Mom, if you can see one with orange, it can come out. Mom, see and antenna. That one's come out.
Look, there's his head popping out.
Yeah, I see it. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to keep looking and see if his whole body comes out.
Okay, well, you keep looking. I'm going to look on this side.
Okay. Here. Mom, I thought you won't make them fall. Oh, Gracie, one crawl on you.
look
And
at
two,
see if
three,
the queen's on that.
4 crawl on you. Mom, I just got 2.
Mm-hmm.
Gracie, tomorrow if you see that seeing that baby bee, it's only coming out in dark. It's not coming out. It's going to go sleep. Mom, in dark, the baby bee, it will not come out. But in morning, it will come out.
Mm-hmm.
It wouldn't like to come out.
I'm going to check
It looks like an L, Gracie.
this one next.
Mom.
Next to the sugar water.
Oh, no.
What?
I got to get out.
Papa's going to come help you. Trying to see if I need to... You got it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Got some queen cells.
That's fine.
Yep, I see her.
She done transferred down. She's fast.
Well, she is a
She's a
busy bee. She is doing some laying.
Put one more.
Trap up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 4 or 5 in there. Let me see if we can get her out of there.
Put one more for good measure. Hey.
I hear kids calling. I'm just gonna check. I'm just gonna do a quick check on the build up to see if I need to put a super on.
Yep. That looks like honey.
Oh, it's got honey in it.
Oh yeah, they got honey left. It looks like your queen, right?
Oh, that one's full.
All right.
Get another one of those.
Oh, okay. Y'all's genetic thing,